In this video, I'll be explaining some of the most important microservices design patterns, the key concepts that help make systems scalable, efficient, and resilient. We'll cover things like API gateways, circuit breakers, and other core patterns that are widely used in real-world applications like Netflix, Amazon, and more. And in upcoming videos, I'll show you practical examples and dive deeper into how these patterns are applied in actual systems, so you can see them in action. So, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of those hands-on videos. Let's get started. First up, we have the API gateway. Think of it like the front door to your house. When someone comes to visit, instead of having them go to different rooms or microservices, you have them all enter through the front door, which will then take them to the right room. So in a microservice system, the API gateway takes the incoming requests from users, like asking for order details or user info, and sends them to the right service behind the scenes. It also handles things like security and logging. Example, imagine you are ordering a product online. You only have to ask the front door, the API gateway, for the order details. The API gateway will go get information from different rooms like the product service, order service, and payment service, and bring it all back to you in one response. For this related image, please. Let's take a look at this diagram to understand what an API gateway does. At the center, you see the API gateway. It acts as the single entry point for all the requests coming from clients, like laptops, mobile phones, or even other systems. Instead of directly interacting with backend services, clients send their requests to this gateway. Now, look at the various services connected to the gateway. User service handles anything related to user data. Payment service manages payment processes. Messages service takes care of messages. Notifications service handles notifications. Company service manages company-related information. Each of these backend services has its own REST API, but the clients don't directly talk to them. Instead, the API gateway simplifies everything by routing requests to the appropriate service. It knows exactly where to send the request based on the type of action the client needs. For example, if a user wants to check their notifications, the request comes into the API gateway, which forwards it to the notifications service. If the user needs to make a payment, the gateway routes the request to the payment service. This setup ensures that clients don't have to deal with the complexity of managing multiple services. They only need to interact with the API gateway, which takes care of all the hard work in the background. Think of it as a traffic controller, making sure every request reaches the right destination and bringing back the right response to the client. The structure is not just convenient but also improves security, efficiency, and scalability for modern systems.